Hello, welcome back to Homeschooling Through High School. My name is CJ, and today we're going to be sharing a review of CompuScholar's Unity game programming. And I'm actually going to turn it over to my son because he's the one who did all of the work, and I'll share a little bit from myself at the end. Let's get started.
Unity Game Programming by CompuScholar is a detailed high school course filled with interactive Unity content. The program is overall easy to use and sectioned into different chapters well. Each chapter has around 3 to 4 lessons in it, each with their own quiz. At the end of the chapter, there is an exam covering the contents of the previous lessons, ensuring you've retained the information. There are occasionally activities to complete also, which are submitted to the teacher.
If you're enjoying my son's review so far, please consider giving it a thumbs up.
The videos that they teach you get the job done, although it would be cool to see a bit of comedy sprinkled throughout them. The lessons were easy to find, and the gradebook kept you up to date on how you were doing in the quizzes. I also like that you would submit something to your teacher to grade instead of having the computer grade it all the time. The text provided with some of the lessons was also helpful, as it gave you some answers to the quiz that was not in the video. All in all, I would recommend Unity game design for those looking to get into the basics of Unity. It is important to note that this course goes into the details of 2D game design and not 3D game design.
CompuScholar Unity Game Programming curriculum offers a comprehensive one-year course that teaches video game design with Unity and C+ scripting. It is accessible online and it includes hands-on labs. The grade recommendation is 9th through 12th grade. This course does have some specific system requirements, so make sure to check out the Timberdoodle website to find out what that is. Please note, while this course does not have any prerequisites, Unity programming is CompuScholar's most difficult course in terms of content and pacing. Early high school students with no previous coding experience may find this difficult. If you have any additional questions, please list them below. I will link the website for Timberdoodle so that you can check out this program and look around and check out the rest of what Timberdoodle has to offer. We'll see you in the next video.